Welcome to teachernaynaytv. For today's video, I'm going to guide you and teach you on how to change the background of your Zoom application using your laptop. Okay? At first, we need to install a Zoom application on your laptop, of course. And then make sure also that you have a solid green background or blue background so that it will be successful. Okay? So as you can see here in my screen, I already installed Zoom application. So I have opened it. I will open it. Okay? And I already signed in here. When you have installed a Zoom account or a Zoom application on your laptop, you're going to sign in or sign up. It depends on you if you have an account or without account. Pwede po kayong mag-open with the use of your Facebook account or if you have a Gmail account or an active email address. Okay? To be successful so that you will be able to join with the Zoom meeting that you need to attend. Okay? So, para saan ba ang Zoom application or Zoom meeting? Ang Zoom po ay isang uri ng platform or isang uri ng paraan wherein you will have a virtual meeting or virtual na pakikipagkita sa mga taong kailangan ninyong makausap or maka-communicate. For example, if you are working in an office and you need to talk to your boss during pandemic times, so you need to have a meeting with your boss. Or for example, you are a sales agent, so you have to meet your clienteles, you have to meet your customers. Okay? So si Zoom ay isang uri ng platform. Or for another example, if you are an educator or teacher and you need to meet your students or your co-teachers or the whole faculty or your principals, supervisors, etc. This is one kind of platform to meet them. Okay? So, let's start a new meeting. Yan. Kung ikaw ang magiging host, new meeting ang i-open mo. And then, kung ikaw naman ay pinadalhan ng link or invitation, you're going to click the join. Okay? And then, for example, you want to have a scheduled virtual meeting with others, dito ka sa scheduled. Para ma-schedule mo yung time na kailangan mo o kaya yung date na kailangan mo. Alright? Itong share screen magagamit mo kapag nandun ka na inside the meeting. Alright? Actually, there are two things wherein pwede kang mag-change ng background. Kung wala ka pa dito, hindi mo pa kiniklik yung new meeting, join, or scheduled, meron dito sa upper right na settings. Here. Click mo yung settings. Ayan. And then go to the virtual background. Ito. Makikita mo, general, video, audio, share screen, chat, virtual background. So, dito tayo sa virtual background. Kasi yan ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay. I double-click it. Ayan. So, ito na ako. Nasa bahay ako. Okay. I am just lucky to have a green paint. Ayan. Ang aking room kasi ay kulay apple green. Ayan. So, good thing na yan. Kasi, I don't need to repaint my room or I don't need to buy a green or blue curtain. Okay. Ulitin ko po. Blue or green curtain will do. Okay. Bakit kailangan green or blue? Kasi it will help you para maging solid ang pagkakapalit ng background ng inyong video sa Zoom. Alright, there you go. And then, if you will look here, sa bandang ibaba nakalagay, choose virtual background. Ang kanilang provided lang po dito sa aking laptop, I don't know with the other laptop kung ganun din, itong tatlo. Itong bridge, itong grass, and itong parang galaxy or solar system, yan. Yan lang tatlo ang provided nila. And then, they provided also two moving background. Itong sa dagat, and then ito. Ayan, moving background yan, gumagalaw. Yan lang pong 5 ang provided nila. If you will see here, meron ako ditong mga provided background. Ito naman po ay akin ng mga i-download, isinave na sa folder sa aking laptop. And then, kinukuha ko na lang doon. Since I am a teacher, an educator, so I have this virtual classroom, I have the virtual office, the solar system, virtual kindergarten classroom, and house, virtual house. Okay? Pero ulitin ko po, ito lang 5 ang meron siya dyan. Ngayon, teacher, paano mo nakuha tong mga to? Nakuha ko po yung mga yan. For example, meron kayong mga gustong background na gamitin. Alright? So, all you have to do is to go here, dito sa plus sign. Ayan, makikita nyo, add image or video. It depends on you, what do you want to add, kung image or video. Ayan. For example, you have an image na gustong gamitin. Okay, sa akin ito, nasa picture siya. Ayan, dagdag tayo. Halimbawa, ito ay virtual classroom o open. Ayan, nag-iba na ang aking background. O, kita nyo ba? Okay. Halimbawa naman, gusto nyo yung provided nila. Ito. Okay, here, for example, this is your lesson. We are now in the galaxy. Okay, etc. ang ganon. Halimbawa ito, we are now on the bridge of San Francisco. Okay, di ba may mga ganong lesson kung minsan. Or for example, ikaw ay nag-office. Okay, ito, meron tayong virtual office. Ayan, hi boss, good morning, how are you today? Mga ganon. Okay. And then, I also have here, ito, virtual house. Kunyari, yayamanin. Diba? Virtual house. Tchanan! Look at my sofa. Okay. Or, kunyari, science ang inyo tinuturo. O, unti-unti nyo pakita. Here are the different planets. O, yan, ang planets daw sa likod. And here. Okay, something na ganon. Okay, what else? A kindergarten classroom. Tcharan! Hello, Mickey Mouse and friends! Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Alam niyo ba yung kantang yon? Okay. Or, for example, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung meron kayong makuha or makita, o kaya may ginawa kayong sarili ninyong background, it's okay. As long as nakasave siya doon sa folder ninyo, gawa kayo ng folder ninyo sa inyong laptop, para doon nyo na lang siya kukuhanin, doon siya manggagaling. Basta dito lang kayo mag-add. Pwede din kayong mag-add ng video or moving background. So, ito naman ang inyong i-click kung moving background. Okay? For example, ito, moving background to. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo makita ng buo, i-X nyo lang. O, di ba, nawala? Yung ano nga pala to, hindi pa pala makikita dito. I'm sorry. Okay, ayan. Mamaya ko sa inyo papakita ng buo. Okay, so here, nasi-change na natin, di ba, yung background. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ang solid po. Hindi po ba? Pero kung ang gagamitin nyo ay background lang na, halimbawa, ang nasa likod ay sala, o kaya naman mga sampay, hindi siya magiging solid yung pagkakapalit. Merong mga glitch-glitch dyan. Okay? Hindi siya magiging full na maayos na malinis na background. Okay? So, ito yung isang paraan ng pag-change ng background. So, X ko muna. Ayan. So, bumalik ako dito. Yung isang halimbawa ng changing background of your video sa Zoom is here. Halimbawa, ikaw ay mayroong meeting, new meeting, or sa join. Parehas lang sila ng procedure ng pag-change ng background. So, since wala namang nag-i-invite sa akin ng meeting, I will have a new meeting. So, pasok tayo. Ayan. Ayan, naka-change siya kasi yung dun sa kanina. Okay, join tayo with audio. Okay, there you go. Ayan. Halimbawa, ibalik ko muna sa dati. Yung none muna. Ayan. If you will see, my background is green. Apple green. Okay? Apple green. So, I want to change the background. So, punta kayo dito sa may lower left, may makikita kayo yung mute at saka yung stop video. So, dito kayo sa stop video. Yung stop video ay mayroong arrow pataas. Alright? Pindutin natin yung arrow pataas. Pinapa-unmute. Okay, so dito makikita nyo, select a camera, easy camera, choose a virtual background, at saka video settings. Dito kayo pumunta sa choose virtual background kasi ito yung ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay? As you can see, parehas lang sila nung kanina ng pag-change ng background. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung two ways. Okay? So, pwede dun kanina sa settings before you enter the meeting, and then pwede yung kapag you're inside the meeting already. Okay? So, same lang. Okay, ayan. Halimbawa, yan ulit. Yung Bridge of San Francisco, ito yung sinasabi ko, kung gusto nyo makita ng buo, X lang. Okay, so guys, here is the Bridge of San Francisco. Something na ganon. If you want to change it again, go ka ulit doon, and then, ito na yung moving background. Okay, look at we're here now in Boracay. So, are you happy? Ayan, nakikita nyo ba ang alon as well as the coconut? Napakahangin. Okay, something na ganun. Yan na po, yung moving background yan. Okay? Then, if you want to change, gusto nyo na sa classroom, okay, we're here now. Welcome back, guys, in our class. Okay, welcome back in our school. Ganun, nakakamiss yun. Sana matapos na ang pandemic. Okay? Then, let's change it again. What else? Ito, classroom ulit to eh. Office? Classroom? Okay, yeah, mga pambata. Okay, let us study letters. So, A, B, C, D. Mga something na ganun, okay? So, ganun. It's very easy lang. Mapa-adult, mapa-bata, mapa-estudyante, mapa-senior citizen, it's very easy to use. It's very easy to change also, the background. Okay? Ano pa ba? Basta pag meron kayong gustong background, all you have to do is to download it or copy it on your laptop, save it to one folder, and then dito siya mapupunta. Add lang kayo. Pag nag-add kayo ng image or video, hanapin nyo lang kung saan nyo siya sinave. And then, i-click nyo yun, and then open. So, mapupunta na siya dito. And then, mapipili nyo na po siya. Okay? So, sana po ay nakatulong ako sa inyo. Sana ay natuto kayong mag-change ng background ng inyong Zoom video. Okay? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang tip para maging solid at maging maganda at malinis ang inyong background, all you have to do is to have a green screen or blue screen. Blue screen will do naman. Okay lang naman. Para mas effective itong green. Okay? So, sa lahat po ng hindi pa nakasubscribe, hindi pa nakalike dyan, all you have to do is to click like, subscribe po kayo with bell, and share it to others. It's spread love, sabi nga. Okay? And learn to share. Okay? So, paano? Kita na lang tayo ulit sa susunod nating Edu Vlog. teachernaynaytv. Bye-bye! Ingat kayo!